my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, keep pumping, bro. I think we're actually gonna make it to 70k, bro. This is actually fucking perfect, dog. Oh my god, we just hit 70k. Okay, go back to the website right now. Move the liquidity, minus button, 100%. Click on confirm. Oh my gosh, we just made. I made over $526,000 last month, and it's all sitting right here in my Phantom wallet. Solana meme coins made it happen, and I'll show you exactly how I did it one step at a time. I've recorded this video so many times, guys. I keep telling you guys, do not trade these meme coins. I'm telling you guys, the ones walking away with all the money are the creators, the developers. The traders will never touch a dime. Only the lucky ones that got out at the top, and it is impossible to make a profit. Now, how are you guys gonna make it? You guys are gonna create the coins with a good narrative, a good, solid, believable narrative. Wait for the coin to fill up with buyers, and then just dump the liquidity. As simple as that. As simple as that. Now, if we go over to deck screen and we check the trending tokens, they all have one thing in common. They have all charts that look exactly like this. We get the token creation, and nobody knows about it, a little promotion, then boom, all the buyers come into the coin, and then as soon as it hits a certain amount, say 70 million in market cap, the developers will then remove all of the liquidity and walk away with all of the money. Now, if you go over to Coinlabs.Fun, this website helped me, and it might help you create your first token and make possibly a hella bag. Now, the thing that is great with this method is that it's fully repeatable, and you guys are bound to make a profit. This website is the only legit one on YouTube that I could find, so this is the way to go. Now stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys are going to be creating your coins on Coinlabs.Fun is, first of all, it is the only real website on YouTube. Secondly, your coin is launched in seconds with no coding required. And third of all, your coin gets created straight to the Radium DEX. Now, this is the most important part of the video, so stay focused. Now, why is this important for you guys? Well, it creates your coin straight here, and you get way more attention, way more buys, and way more eyeballs, so people are more likely to see your coin. And if you have a good narrative, boy, it is game over. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coin on Pump.Fun is for this reason. You guys, these coins and just Pump.Fun in general is too saturated. There are too many bullshit coins being created every single second, not seeing the light of day. And the second thing that is annoying with this website is that it has to reach a bonding curve. Now, what is the bonding curve? When your coin hits $90,000 in market cap, it will transfer over to the Radium liquidity pool. But why would we go through all that hassle when we can just create the coin straight on the Radium liquidity pool with Coinlabs.Fun? Now, my favorite way to make thousands of dollars fucking instantly is by going on the copy trending tokens tab. Now, what this tab is basically the website going through thousands of meme coins, trying to find the ones that are proven to making you a ton of money. I'm telling you guys, all of these are proven. So if, for example, if you go on this one, the market cap is 40,000. We try to find a market cap with $30,000 and try to find a coin that has a last bought under 15 seconds ago. That is my golden strategy, the golden rule to making money. Now, all of this thing does, when you click create your coin, it steals the narrative, it steals everything about the coin, makes it for yourself, and people are bound to buy it. As simple as that. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only two. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last two recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bought, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us. I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit. Here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.